Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's Metal3 meeting. Today is 14th of August, and I'm your host, Muhammad Adil Ghaffar. Let's start with the usual reminders. First one is that this meeting is recorded. And next one is that if you want to contribute, you can go to this help wanted link and you will see some issues and you can open a PR to resolve those issues. So if anyone is interested in contributing, you can check this link. Third one is if you want to add yourself into the adopters list, you are welcome. You can open a PR and add yourself in this list. Others are, I don't think there is anything else that I need to mention. We have an incubation proposal that is currently going on. You can also check the PR for that here. And yep, I think we can start with the working groups. We have Ironic Scalability Working Group. We have a comment from someone. I think this is from Dimitri, right?
Yep, that's correct. Very simple comment. There is a specific design proposal for an standalone operator that I was talking about what that is, what it should be. Yeah, in general, that's a place to collect feedback for the minimum viable proposal of the project. Yeah, and legitimize the project, so to say, spread the knowledge about why it was designed this way and how it was designed at all. So please review and comment.
Thanks, Dimitri. So yeah, please review this proposal. It's in the Metal3 talks. Yep.
Yeah, and it paves the way for HA for Ironic. So it's talking about, again, the very minimum viable product, not the final form without host networking and stuff, but the very MVP of having Ironic in HA setup. It summarizes basically the discussions we've had for many months and extracts the easiest possible way forward from them by also talking about alternatives and future directions. So yeah, that's pretty relevant for the scalability discussion.
Yep. Thanks, Dimitri. Yep, so please review it. I think some team members from Ericsson side also showed the interest in checking this out. I think Sundat and some other person also. So I will also check this one. Next is the release team. So it's an update from my side. So we will do the patch release for PMO 0.6, CAPM3 1.7, 1.6, and same for IPEM tomorrow. And regarding the minor releases for BMO, CAPM3 and IPEM, we are waiting for the Ironic image release. I think Ricardo said that like he will do it today. So once we have that one, we will pin it in the BMO and then create a BMO minor release, and then we have to add PRs in IPEM and CAPM3 with the new BMO minor, and then create releases for them. So yeah, that is the update regarding that. Maybe Ricardo, if you want to add something regarding the Ironic image release.
Nothing really at the moment.
Okay.
Thank you.
So will you be able to do it today, or what is the
So I'm not sure actually if we're going to do it today, but it's most likely.
Okay, so I was also thinking of maybe we can create a minor release of PMO, and once we have a Ironic image, we can do another patch release. If that is okay with you. Otherwise, we can wait for the release of Ironic image.
I mean, if you really want to go ahead and release the BMO, I guess that's okay.
Mhm.
Just for the running image, I'm not really sure at the moment.
Okay. Okay, I will check with the team, and we can discuss this on the Slack also later if we want to do it like that, or yeah. Let's go ahead. Okay, so next we have discussion topics. In discussion topics, we have a topic from Ricardo.
Yeah, this is just a call for review. This actually had LGTM, but I fixed some needs, and of course it was removed. It was on hold. I removed it since I didn't get any other reviews for a week, so I think it's good to go. As soon as, of course, I get another LGTM.
Thanks, Ricardo. So please, I think it has a okay. It only need LGTM.
Yeah.
So okay, I think Atom. I will check who is allowed to LGTM here. If Adam is on PTO, and I
Yeah.
think Kashif can do it. So I will ask Kashif or Tomo maybe if he has the permission here.
All right. Thanks.
Yeah, that's mostly it. I don't think we have anything else in the agenda.
Sorry, Adil, I would like to introduce another discussion topic. I
Yes.
didn't have edit rights of this, so that's why I didn't get it there. But I asked in the Slack channel as well, so I'm working on this namespace scoped operator, and I wonder if anybody has like any real use cases for this namespace scoped operator, and in that case, what are those use cases like? Is it sufficient to have it in a single namespace where you deploy all your resources, or is it better to have multiple predefined namespaces? Like, I mean, it's of course good to limit the access to the secrets, but I mean, it's not worth working on if there's no real use cases for it. So that's what I'm trying to understand. I don't know if anybody had time to check this.
It's a bit of a vague use case, but in OpenShift right now, we are limiting bare metal operator via watch namespace to OpenShift machine API. And of course, we'd be happy to limit everything else to this namespace. But also, we're experimenting with cluster API, like proper cluster API right now. And for those who don't know, OpenShift machine API is like ancient fork of cluster API, like years old. So they're different enough to not be compatible. And we're now experimenting with proper cluster API. And ideally, we'd like to namespace separate that, which may mean having BMO listen to two namespaces, OpenShift Machine API and whatever, I don't know, OpenShift Cluster API, whatever that's going to be. So take it for what it's worth. I'm not sure we actually are going to use what you're developing, but it sounds like we could, at least.
Yeah, I think if you're already limiting the watch namespace, then this would just simply add the role or change the cluster role to a role for you, so it's in that way limited. So yeah, I think that's good at least. So there is a use case for it.
Okay, thanks, Robin. Regarding the permission to add to this document, I think if you join Metal3 Dev group, Google group, you will get the permission to write here. I can share this link with you.
Yeah, okay, yeah, sure. I just had forgotten about the document and noticed it before the meeting, so.
Yep, okay. Yep, that's mostly it for today's meeting. We don't have triaging to this week. if anyone have any question or any suggestion, any improvements want to discuss here. Okay, if nothing, we can close this meeting. Thank you everyone for joining.
Thank you.